Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. The same gentleman I'm helping, so this is part two. Want to know how you could get her like her head and her face sticking out of this yellow box. So we're just going to do it. It's really easy. Let's zoom in here. Let's go ahead and start from the scratch, and let's take that, hold down the shift, grab her boot, intersect, and move that over. Grab that section, hold down the shift, grab that one, and go to intersection, move it over. Grab that shape, hold down the shift. So the same thing we did in the previous video is doing the same thing, but we're going to alter it a little bit. I'm just holding down the shift and grabbing both pieces. Then grab the last one, hold down the shift, intersect, and move it over. Now on this last one, so what we're going to do, we're going to make a duplicate of that, and we're going to move it over. Duplicate of that, because we don't have to make duplicates of all of them, but I am. And the one reason I like the intersect tool, well, what did I do? There it is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take just this top part of her head, and we're going to, probably the easiest would be to get a 3-point curve line and just go from there to there and then put a little curve on it. And now we're going to, well, let's move the girl out of the way for just a second. Whoop. And let's smart fill this area in. And now let's actually move it down. And now we can take the girl, the original girl, and move it over. And we're going to do the exact same thing. Whoop. We're going to take, you can use color, but I'm going to left click, right click. So what I did, I made a different part. Hold down the shift, grab both of them and intersect. And that intersected just the top of her head. And what that's going to allow us to do is now we can take the Smart Fill tool and fill this in with yellow. Fill all the white in with yellow. And I think I got it all. And then go select them all and right click on your mouse to take away the outline. That way it looks like her head is sticking out. Now you've got a little bit of separation there with a line. So if you set your nudge factor on like 0.001, and let's just move that down a little bit, and that gets rid of that line. There's a couple other ways to do that. If I think of it, I'll make another video, but that'll work right there. Hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.